Hello, hello, Beatrice here. And here we are at step number 4. So we had step number 1, making a choice. We had step number 2, creating a structure with that choice. Step number 3, experience the choice right now. And today we are at step 4. Now, when you think about your choice, what stops you to have it right now? Just think about it. You can just do this in your mind or write it down. What stops you to have this choice right now? And what someone has to believe to create this reality that you are living in right now? What worries do you have about this desired choice? What worries you about it? And again, you can write it down. You can just do this in your mind. Now, here's another question. How old is the youngest you that created this reality that you are living in right now? How old is the youngest you that created this reality? And the first number is the perfect one. And what happened back then? And if it's hard for you to do this, just make it up. What happened back then? What decisions have you made? Just make up the story. Here's another question. What inner conflicts do you have about this choice? I would love for this to happen, but I'm not good enough. I'm not capable. Whatever that is, what inner conflicts do you have about this choice? And what do you assume? What do you assume this choice is? How do you define yourself and the world when you think about this choice? And after you answer all these questions, I would like you to just put together a resistance number. From all these answers, where do you think is your resistance towards this choice? From 0 to 10, where are you right now? 0 meaning there's no problem, I can just fly, just go with it. And 10 being there's a wall in front of me, there is no way I can get to this choice ever. It's never gonna happen for me. So where are you right now? So take the pulse, see where you are. This is what we're gonna do Saturday, again, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm very excited to be there with you, and we're gonna end up with a beautiful recode. So think about this. This is step number 4. We have one more step tomorrow, and I'll see you all in the Recode. Love you all. See you soon.